Hello everyone and welcome back to another exciting segment of First Impressions. PS, this is not a sponsored video. This is Tanishka and today I'm gonna try and review this trending drugstore highlighter by Insight Cosmetics. So you should know that I've tried this brand before and it didn't really stand up to my expectations, but since this highlighter is trending, let me give this a try. I'm going to talk about the texture, the pigment, the finish and see how it goes. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this is how the packaging looks like and this retails for ₹105 only. So for $100, I think the packaging is quite good. This is a cream highlighter and I haven't really tried any cream highlighters before. I mean, I have used the powder ones and the liquid ones, but not a cream one. So I'm very excited to give this a try. This looks like a pink shade highlighter and the texture feels creamy. Now let's try this and see. I'm gonna use my fingers to apply this because the payoff is better when you use your fingers. Oh my god, this is very glowy and very pigmented. My favorite part about doing makeup is using highlighters because it adds that glow and the shine that you need. I'm gonna blend it in. This blends very easily and I'm liking the sheen that it's giving me. I generally don't prefer pink highlighters. I usually go for the golden ones, but this is quite good. Like if you're looking for something that is gonna give you natural glow, I think this is really good. Applying it on the other side. Can you look at the glow? I'm gonna apply a bit on my nose as well. I'm thinking to use this as an eyeshadow as well, so we'll see how that goes. Oh my god, it can be used as an eyeshadow as well. Can you see? This blends perfectly even on the eyes. It is not that creamy, but yes, it blends very nicely. Oh my god, I cannot believe that I'm actually saying this. I love the highlighter, I love the texture, the pigment, the finish, the payoff, everything about this. I mean, for $105, this highlighter is outstanding, and if you are in a budget, you should definitely go for this. I highly recommend it. Now I know why this is trending everywhere. Even though this is a pink highlighter, I think it can be used for fair to medium skin tone people as well. This is easily available on Amazon and the link is mentioned in the description, so go and check it out. So that's it for today's episode. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Select by Pink Villa, and also if you have any products in mind that you would like us to try, do comment below. Till then, bye!